Gentlemen, come on, Alele. Here he comes, His Excellency, the second citizen of Anambra State, Honorable, His Excellency, Dr. Henry Moteke, the biological son of every woman required, the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, who can do something again with
in Nigeria, who can also take care of the movie.
That's the living legend of your case in Enugu clan. His Excellency, Chief Doctor Nkemiri Moteke, the award-winning Deputy Governor, the Platinum Deputy Governor, the only Deputy Governor I'm in love with his level of humility in leadership.
Hey!
With all humility, we appreciate your coming in our Asian kingdom.
I know my friends. Who's the Ibai na Chi Mekita. Uganda saw a Chimasi by two. Easy Chief. Sir Victor Ume. Yes, yeah, online for scholarship scheme. Don't ask how we can go. On the yellow look at carrying them. Then you go where I carrying them. Where go Monday. One in the way they room at California. When you got a Humakia.
Amarige!
When you got a Humakia.
Amarige!
When you got a Humakia.
Amarige! Ibu wadi guleri!
Okay, the president.
Okay, yeah.
What I got the job. I'm a job on this city. Obama. Well, I'll say, Monday, I took in a black. When you're going to talk about the game, I'm When you get your Rama,
You get your Rama.
okay, can I know? I'm not leaving. You can pass the ring. When you get your Rama, you get your Rama. Caballero, oh my God. Any of the Rama Kito, now, His Majesty, Igwe Makatoni, Tukompo, Ede de Rama Kito Nalo. Alobeno!
Yeah.
Alobeno!
Yeah.
Ni Cabinet Igwe, Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Anambra State, Dr. Kirakonamo Okeke, Inosuzone Nuguku, Otake, Omo Anamekeme, Honorable Chief Sir Peter Bida, Ukumbara Bagama, Onoga Nimana Nimo, Members of the Assembly. Honorable Pastor Tumigo Koye,
Right Honorable St. Anthony Ezemuche, Igwe Mokoromi, the Institute. That is the humble exit of His Excellency Chief Doctor. Thank you very much. Alright, Biko Mbotu Delo Mbeba, please maintain it. This football is a billion. I don't know.
Well, New Yam Festival is a very important festival in Igbo land. God created us and gave us yam as a crop.
All right.
Plant.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, the hour has come
We pound
for
it.
His Majesty.
So it's a very important staple food.
We are confirming national chairman emeritus of APJ Appian, DKD the chairman of Indian Campaign Organization,
As a very
DKD
important we celebrate it.
and today's person is Chief Ade Ezenwa. Please, Chief Ade Ezenwa. Get ready.
Conferred me the chieftaincy title of DKD Rama of our Lord. I relish the title.
Chief Ade.
It's a good way for me to remember. this year's Yam Festival in Alon.
Why do you choose to associate yourself with
Please, Chief Ade Anna Kennedy.
No, it's who invited me, my friend, and he gave me a captaincy title. I have to come and honor him, the big man, and he's very humble. He gets his throne, you know what I'm talking about. He has the fear of God. And when the righteous is in authority, the people rejoice. Long reign, long life, and everything that has to go with it. ndị eze ya akụmechaa n'ahịrị oge nwere onye jụrụ ajụ oge akpọta m ka echie m echichi echi ọ ga-echikwa na mbụ dike dị ọra mma n'alọ maka na nwere onye jụrụ ajụ ọ ya ka anyị na-emechaa wee tinye m ya m okwu tata dike dị ọra mma ọ bụ alụ ebughị n'alọ nke a ya bụ na onye